it looks like I'm at work, it's because I am. And I have found out that I got 3 hognose snakes coming tomorrow that I didn't know were coming tomorrow. So, thermostat, stuff like that, you can't really go around having to buy. But some stuff, you don't need to buy. And if you're in a pinch, or even if you're not in a pinch, you can just find it outside. Let's go. So we're gonna need rocks. They're little babies. So I'm gonna find rocks that they can rub against when they need to shed. And see, perfect. A little bit rough. I'm gonna find something that looks cool. Something you'll like having in there. I like it. Get one more. Perfect. Now you got rocks. Go clean them up.